Very open to learning when it comes to, of course, handling my finances. I know I have a lot to learn, but I'm just lucky because I have my mom with me na ginaguide ako and very patient with me na ituro kung paano ba. And of course, AIA is here para rin extra kampante ako na secured yung family ko in the future. So yes, parang ganun lang, baby steps, and I'm enjoying every bit of it so far.
So, ayan po, another role that we all play, right? And Melita was saying kanina, we have to be open to learning new things because, as Kat said, part of the role is education. We're also here to teach people about what they need to do and guide them through their financial journey. Last question for you. Siyempre, health, the first thing we think about is physical health.
Yes, correct.
So, you have a hectic schedule, you have a hectic job. How do you stay healthy? How do you stay fit?
Physically muna.
Physically.
Hindi naman ako magsisinungaling. I love to eat so much. I am such a foodie. So when it comes to taking care of my body, especially physically, I just really make time for workouts. And then like now, after this, nag-schedule ako ng workout ko. You have to find the right hobby or sport for you because it's not just for, parang hindi lang siya aesthetically pleasing. It's like an investment sa body natin physically. But more than that, mentally and emotionally, yun yung dapat focus nating lahat. And siguro yun yung habit na build ko.